Magandang matchup ng mga guards. Villegas, Are. Villegas coming off the bench. Medyo nagbalasan ng starters dito. Si Coach Gilbert Malabanan. Ang natitira lang dun sa kanyang original starting group. Dalawa. Si Kyle Montaño at si Atok Barba. But for the most part, 60% of the starters, iba.
Let's see
Labayanan natin.
if Are and Barba can bounce back sa parehong hindi ganun kagandang last game nila.
Pagpag lang. Next game na eh. Yung last game na yun. Okay na yun. Bawi ka na lang sa susunod.
Tsaka mga veterano to mga to, coach, dito sa ating NCAA. Alam nila kung paano bumawi kapag galing sa mga ganyang.
Yeah.
Sabihin na natin, pangit na laro talaga. Nangyayari yan, coach.
Wala ka naman choice eh. Pag maganda yung laro mo, pangit yung laro mo, kailangan bumawi ka pa rin sa susunod na laro. Kailangan mag-improve ka.
As Are misses on his first attempt, bola narito sa LPU Pirates. Poste rito. Versosa dancing, scoring.
Yung mga galaw nito ni Versosa, parang ano eh, di kang labas yung mga galaw. Hihit, alanganin, kontra-tempo, finishing, using touch, taking a jump hook right there.
Ito na naman, coach, you're talking about turnovers for San Sebastian Golden Stags. Binigyan ka agad ng isa.
You can be fast but not in a hurry. Quick and decisive but not rushing. Yan yung mga importanteng tignan natin. Kasi sanay tayo na breakneck talaga maglaro. Sobrang bilis. Tulad ng backdoor na yun ni Casino.
Casino with a backdoor off the pass from Montaño. Are gives it to Di Maunahan. Swings to the left. Gabat drives, misses. And look at that.
Polo Gabat. Oh, in-credit kay Risho.
Haba rin talaga nito si Risho no?
Oo, kailangan lang magdagdag to ng timbang.
Nagkalaman na nga siya from last season, coach
Yung coach niya, coach ko dati is Coach Dan Russo. Nandiyan din sa bench. Napitan ko nga kanina eh. Hindi ko pa rin makakalimutan yung mga alas 6 ng umaga namin na workouts nun.
Are gives it to Di Maunahan. Iilalim sana. Basang-basa ni Montaño. Montaño to Peñafiel. At ito na, tatawagin na natin for her first report dito sa ating first game. Tati Austria. Tati.
With both teams at 0 wins so far this season, today's match is a fight to get off the floor. The LPU Pirates will be sailing onto the court with new mindset in mind, as well as game plans as per Coach Gilbert Malabanan, who believes that the LPU will be able to bounce back with a relaxed mindset. Ayon kay Coach Rob Lapagala naman, there will be no major adjustments for the San Sebastian Stags. Ika niya, sa loob ng court, sarili lamang nila ang kalaban nila. Equally eager to win. 2 hungry dogs, 1 bone. Nico and Martin.
Thank you so much, Tati. Tama naman yung sarili mo lang ang kalaban, lalo kapag you feel excited, pressured.
Saka papaalala ko lang iba pagka sa Mall of Asia ka naglalaro. Mas matingkad yung ilaw, iba yung depth perception mo, mas malaki yung venue, mas yung acoustics niya, iba yung palo ng tambol. So, iba eh. Isa pang adjustment yun. So, tingnan natin who will get a little bit more in tune with the way that they're running their teams in today's ball game.
Pro feels kasi pag ganito ang arena natin, coach.
Ay, iba yung big venue eh. Iba yung lamig ng aircon. So, it's a totally different animal.
Here's the offense.
Kaya may mga players minsan nawawala sa focus pag naglalaro sa big venue. Pero yan ang gusto kong makita. Ato Barba, umaatake. Kasi, alam mo pre, pagka ikaw yung point of attack, mythical 5 ako eh. Kung matatalo tayo, dadaan sa akin yung bola. Hindi ako magiging passive.
Well, I talked to Ato kanina before the game. Sabi niya, nung mga nakaraang unang laro, medyo nahihirapan siya when it comes to the ball screen kasi talagang sinusundan siya kapag siya na yung may hawak ng bola. Ang kailangan niya raw gawin for now is to find other facets of the game na mas makakatulong siya bukod dun sa scoring.
Exactly. Add a new wrinkle. Ganun lang naman yan eh. Be a better off-ball player, which is really his talent. Off-ball scorer to eh, nung high school.
Dito madalas sa kanya nagsisimula ang opensa. Castor fires from the 3. Yes, sir!
That's the next most open three-pointer na based on analytics. It's the corner 3 And then, it's that rundown 3. Yung galing ka sa
Sa takbo.
secondary break. Stop and pop sa top of the key. May teammate ako dyan, yumaman. Yan lang ginagawa.
Talaga?
Oo, Brad.
Pangalanan mo nga?
Yusuf Aljamal.
Iyon.
Finals MVP.
Kapanahonan ko yan,
Dahil ano pre, pagka may complimentary ka na big man na mahilig sumil, yung mga rundown na ganyan, madaling shoot.
And here's Risho all the way to the basket. San Sebastian defense is on sa ating first quarter, but they're down here by 1, 10-9 with 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Here's the offense of LPU from the baseline. Bounce in and out is good. And we have a timeout here from San Sebastian. Ang score natin 12-9. Magbabalik ang NCAA 101, Building Greatness. As we said, LPU Pirates medyo nahihirapan to get their first win. Pero itong kanilang Pirate Master Renz Villegas still trying to prove everyone na he really a scorer in this league.
Number 2 scorer with 20 and a half a game. And more importantly, he is their main and focal point of attack. Yun nga yung inahanap natin na additional firepower for them. Kasi walang Maclod Godanya ngayon. Si Ato Barba is a shell of himself. So he's taking it on his own na gawan niya ng paraan.
And right now for San Sebastian, medyo gumagana itong kanilang sistema on this first quarter. As sabi nga natin kanina, their defense is on sa mga unang minuto ng ating laro. But they're still down by 3 here, 12-9, coach. Si Renz Villegas, coach, alam ko, kababayan mo yan, taga-Bataan na yan. Sikat din sa amin eh.
Sa mga ligang labas. No?
Oo.
Saka maliksi. Full speed maglaro eh.
And now, Cuajao is in the game for San Sebastian. Isa sa mga nanguna on their last game against Arellano. And speaking of nangunguna, De La Rama misses on that second attempt. Tatakbang LPU. Binigay mo na kay Versosa. Now Barba has the ball. Hinanap si Versosa sa ilalim. Gives it to the right.
There you go. Good counter on that short roll. Downhill drive si Versosa. Kick out sa corner. Good read. Good counter para kay
Peñafiel.
Simon Peñafiel kasi hard close out. Attacking on his right side. Kahit lefty, malakas umatake sa kanan to si Peñafiel.
So that's his 4th point of the game. Second serving for San Sebastian.
Ito, specialty of the house in De La Rama. Offensive rebounding.
Castor will try once more. Cuajao stops, fires, and makes it.
Second triple by Cuajao. Second triple rather by San Sebastian. First by Deo Cuajao. O Ian Cuajao rather. Younger brother. Ni Deo.
Barba handoff.
Taki!
Tatlo.
Yan!
Barba! For the second time, attacking the basket para dito sa LPU Pirates.
Dapat lang. Kasi Brad, pagka ganyan, you're getting through slumps. Dalawa lang ang choices mo dyan. Kung shooter ka, tumira ka ng tumira. Pagka scorer ka, mamain mo ng mamain.
And this time, another 3 from San Sebastian. Dito naman kay Castor. I think that's his second 3 of the game.
Pangalawang triple na. At saka, ano yan, big man nila, 4-5 ang nilalaro niyan, may tira sa labas. Stretching the defense and stressing the defense.
Ito naman, from the left elbow. Sasagot sana, mintis ang LPU. Gabat tatakbo. De La Rama gives it to Risho.
Buhat.
Bump. And there will be a foul called, I think, on Montaño.
Ama, bumigat na rin si Risho eh. Kaya yung mga pihit niya na gano'n pagka nakakontact, medyo ma-atras ka na rin eh.
May paon na, no?
Oo.
And look at this 3 from Ian Kuahao. Same as his brother. And this time, Ato Barbas attack for his fourth point of the game. Ito naman yung 3 mula kay Castor. Second 3 for Castor in this game. Gumagana ang mga tira nitong mga taga San Sebastian. Risho gets his first free throw. We have a tied ball game with 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining on the first as Risho misses on the second. Ay, ang paborito mo, coach.
Main violation. Pumasok agad yung offensive player, tapos natapik yung bola. So timeout tayo rito.
Timeout muna tayo. 16 all. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. San Sebastian Golden Stags still also winless in this season 101, but they have Juniel De La Rama as a spark plug as their rising stag.
Porsyonado ako maglaro to, ng De La Rama. Hindi siya tipo ng player na kailangan mo magtakbo ng plays para sa kanya. He gets a lot of his baskets on offensive rebounds and hustle points. Kailangan mo ng ganyan. Yan yung mga humahaba yung career. 10 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals in 28 minutes. Bagong-bago. Freshman. Kaya active. Nakakatawa rin.
And he might be undersized for his position. Pero yung
Small
sipag
forward.
niya never under, no?
Alam mo, overrated yung size. May mga 6'7", di maka-rebound. May mga 6'6", di maka-rebound. May mga 5'5", nakaka-rebound. So, basta laro ka lang ng hard.
Moralejo kicks it out to Barba. 9 to shoot. Barba stops and misses. Felebrico is in the game now. Mabibitawan pa ang bola. Felebrico swings it to Castor. Hindi muna sa pagkakataong ito.
Itong Velasco, lumaki din eh. Oh. Kalaman. Saka sakto din na they're 20-21 right now. Sila ni Christian Risho. So sakto yun eh. Pagka nakikinig ka talaga sa conditioning coach mo, buhat ka lang ng mabigat, kain ka lang ng marami, ensayo ka ng hard, posibleng di ka lalaki.
Coach, sino ang mga nakinig sa'yo na magandang karir ngayon?
Ay, hindi na ako magsasalita dyan. Alam na nila yun. Kasi kung ano yung sinabi ko, ginawa lang nila. Kumbaga, 100% of the results, it's about them. Yan. Tayo, taga-guide lang tayo dyan. Alam na nila yan.
Coach Villegas is in the game for LPU. Nakita natin yung adjustment ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan for this game. Ha?
Oh, second 5 niya yung in-start niya.
And right now, another miss mula dito sa San Sebastian. Here's the LPU attack.
There you go.
Barba from the 3. 7 points in this first quarter for Ato Barba.
Yan, kunin mo na yung kumpiyansa mo ngayon. Gagawin mo lang. Gagawin mo na, bawi ka 40. Mga ganyan dapat yung mga goal mo every game. Kasi siya talaga yung go-to guy.
Yeah.
Saka Brad dito, yung opensa magpo-float sa kanilang dalawa ni Villegas. Good hands, Byron Villegas.
And here's open court for Villegas. Moralejo, nako. Medyo nabasa itong gustong gawin ng LPU on that play. 2 minutes remaining in this first quarter. LPU up by 3, 19-16. And Ato Barba, lumabas muna rito.
New guy on the floor, Abregana. Getting subbed in.
Look at that. Villegas off the board. What a shot there.
Confidence of this boy.
Hindi naman magiging second top scorer yan sa ating first 2 games. Kung walang kumpiyansa, coach.
O mahiyain.
Yeah. And look at this. Ato Barbas, I think that's the second attack. And here's the 3. Long 3 from Ato.
And I hope it's a welcome back. Okay, Ato.
And Ito naman yung step back jumper from Renz Villegas. As Felebrico mag-isa sa ilalim. Good find from Castor. At meron pang nasungkit na foul.
Good action there off that sideline inbound. Backpick, nalibre si Felebrico. Basic na basic. Lukot, palit mobilya lang.
Mapapagalitan ng coach yung gano'n. Nahuli ka na sa depensa. Sinungkitan mo pa ng foul.
Ang nangyayari kasi dyan, usually, ball watching eh. Nanonood sa bola yung bantay ng backdoor or yung nabibigyan ng backpick. Hindi nagsasalita yung tao ng bumakpick. Kasi kung communicate mo yun, ikaw yung nakakakita eh. So medyo shade ka lang ng konti sa shaded area. Ahakpang ka pa atras para hindi clear yung path ng papasahan.
As Felebrico completes the three-point play. Off the bench din ang gamit kay Felebrico ngayon, no?
This season, ni-start siya off the bench, pero ngayon, starter siya eh.
I think off the bench pa rin.
Nag-start siya kanina. Hindi si Di Maunahan ang pinastart siya.
Auriguez swings it to Moralejo from the three. Another three from LPU Pirates. Sagutan dito. Nepasena gives it to Felebrico. Nawala ang bola. Sa ilalim, misses. 10 to shoot.
Buhat.
Bumps. Blocked there by Aurigue. Moralejo gets the ball. Walang naunang kakampi. Moralejo swings it to the left. Sabi ni Villegas, saglit lang. Abregana. All board.
Masyado malakas yung tira.
Ito
Early
na
dribble
naman.
handoff.
Great handoff.
Corner.
Mintis lang para kay Quahao. Felebrico will try. Misses. Tatakbo ito si Moralejo kasama si Villegas against Quahao. Villegas bumps, fades, and misses.
Kumpiyansa yung gano'n. Just trying to shake off the defender.
Last shot here for Golden Stacks. Quahao hand off. Velasco with a pick. 8 to shoot. Quahao. Bitin na naman. 4 to shoot. And the ball will go back to LPU.
Actually, clean shot na yun eh, nung pag-post entry dito. Okay, I think that was Nepasena. Yung dribble handoff niya na pataas. Para pitch back lang yun eh. Tapos, step in ka to a short corner jumper. Devin Booker. Ganun yung ginagawa eh. Yung dribble up to handoff.
Moralejo. And he makes it from way back to backcourt.
Senyas dito, basket.
Grabe naman yung tira na yan yung Moralejo. Tingnan natin, counted yun. Malinis na malinis. Moralejo from the backcourt is good. And LPU, after one quarter, they are up 27 to 19. Of that three mula rito kay Moralejo, magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Mall of Asia Arena for the NCAA Season 101 Men's Basketball Tournament as the LPU Pirates up here 27 to 19. And what a way to end that first quarter mula rito sa LPU, lalo na kay Moralejo, Coach.
3/4 court shot.
Yep.
Shoot eh. Counted.
And let's see if San Sebastian can have a better quarter dito sa pangalawa. Misses from the three once again. Moralejo stops, pumps, and makes it. Grabe yung kumpiyansa eh.
Medyo kumalog pa eh. Nakashoot din ng 3/4 courts na tira eh. Magkakakumpiyansa ka talaga.
Gabat hands it off. Now Felebrico against Abregana. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Fakes. Gabat makes it.
Laki rin ng improve ng laro ni Polo Gabat. Staying in control. He's getting a rip and pull up.
Moralejo has 8 points now. As Villegas swings it to Abregana. Moralejo fakes. Back it to Abregana. Finally for Abregana.
Shooter ata talaga. Kanina pa nila hinahanap. So second attempt niya, 1 out of 2 for Jovan Abregana.
Right after that all board 3, di ba? Ito na naman, mag-isa na naman si Moralejo. Hindi na hinabol. It's a 10-0 run from LPU Pirates. At tatawag na ng timeout, pamatay sunog. Itong San Sebastian Golden Stacks. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Ending the first quarter right and starting the second quarter better para
Yan.
dito sa LPU Pirates. Care of itong si Moralejo. Kung hindi siya may score, pumapasa naman. And 3-point shots is working for LPU. But for San Sebastian coach, turnover nandiyan na naman.
Oo, yun nga yung nagiging problema na dito. Hindi sila makadepensa kasi ratrat ng ratrat yung LPU. Kasi papaalala ko lang, yun yung gustong gawin itong dalawang koponan na to. And mahirap mag-settle in sa mga packages mo, sa mga gusto mong gawin kung nagtatapon ka ng bola, both offensively and defensively.
Ito, baka meron na isa-share sa atin si Tati Austria. Tati, ano yan?
The San Sebastian Sags have been through a lot this season, carrying the weight of 2 consecutive losses. But team captain TJ Falebrico believes it is time to stop the bleeding. Nang makausap ko siya, hindi lang pagiging team captain ang kanyang responsibilidad ngayon, kundi ang manghikayat sa kanyang koponan na mag-usap-usap sa loob ng court. TJ believes it is time for both veterans and rookies alike to be more vocal and avoid miscommunication. That will be crucial to their possible win. Now the question is, can they win on Synchrony alone, Nico and Martin?
Thank you so much, Tati. Kaya naman talaga ang dinadaanan ng mga player. Dati, ikaw ang nakikinig. Ngayon, ikaw na ang magli-lead ng team mo, Coach
Oo,
Hammer.
totoo yan.
Moralejo from the corner. Once again, for his 11th point of the game, Joshua Moralejo. 30 points na pala para rito kay Joshua.
Tatlong 3-point shot na yan.
Grabe, itong kumpiyansa ni Joshua Moralejo. Look at this. His teammates ay talagang hinahanap siya.
Yep. East-west yung galaw ng bola, extra passing, and gotta give credit where credit is due. Maganda yung pagiging selfless nitong mga players ng LPU this quarter, kaya maganda yung simula nila.
At nalilibre din talaga. Hindi siya yung mga pilit na tira, coach, dahil hit check lang. As Richo gets a jumper para rito sa San Sebastian.
Yeah. Siya naman on the other end ang consistent ng scoring.
Still, Paeng Are, scoreless in this
Hindi na nga
tennis
binalik
game. Abregana. Second three for Abregana.
So online ang shooting dito ngayon ng LPU. I think that's their 6th three-pointer.
6 out of 10. Sumagot naman dito si Guahao. But they're still down 40-26 as we see the storyline para sa ating 3-point shots. 6 out of 10 for LPU, 3 out of 11 para dito sa San Sebastian, coach. Here's the attack from San Sebastian. Pull up from the 3, misses this time.
Ace to, double high. The dive si Aviles, pop out si Awirige. Maraming sila nakukuha ang bola rito. Dive, Aviles, Aurige, pag ball reverse, the dribble handoff yung kay Villegas. That's their double high action.
As we're seeing the second 3-point shot of the game by Jovan Abregana. As Guahao answers back with his own 3-point shot. Same ng bitaw no? Sa kanyang kapatid.
Shooter, mas malaki lang si Deo.
Yeah.
Pero ito mas mabilis eh. A different type of talent. But how about their parents? Siguro sobrang happy ng parents ni Deo at ni Ian. Kasi kahit ako pag nakita ko yung dalawang anak ko nagko-compete at the highest level of collegiate basketball, Grabe yan. Parang it fulfills you as a parent.
It means you have done something right.
Oo naman. Tsaka alam mong positive influence yung kuya. Kasi nag-lay ng groundwork na sundan nung kapatid.
Yes.
Kaya importante yan sa magkakapatid yung
Connections.
solid kayo. Ama, magpo-pro pa yung kuya.
Moralejo to Doral. Barba back in the game. Barba, once again, attacking and scoring.
There you go. 9 points for Ato.
Feeling ko for Ato, kapag nakita niya yung teammate siya also contributing, yung kanya, wala nang pressure for him no? Kaya mas nahuhulog na itong mga tira ni Ato.
Aha.
Like
Ganun
this
talaga
guy.
pag walang pressure, madaling mahulog. Ayos ba?
Ayos.
Ayos! Ayos, Brad!
Just go with the flow.
Yes, sabi ko sa'yo kasi magsasabado na
Diba?
Yan lang.
Kapag ang connection ay may peace
Ayan.
at calmness.
Yan. Lang yan. May baong ka rin, ha? Kasama pa rin.
Mahuhulog at mahuhulog. Yeah. Ito, ayaw mahulog for LPU. Daileg, I think this is the first time in the game itong si Daileg.
Oh, ito kursunada ko rin tong player na to. I'm very high on Jonathan Daileg kasi matangkad na shooter that can play multiple positions.
This time he will be called for a foul, I think.
On the box out, nakakapit siya sa jersey.
Ganun talaga, coach. Pag nahulog na, kapitan mo na.
Yan. Apit tayo kay Jesus, huwag sa kalaban.
Yan.
Yan. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Still, LPU up here, 42-26. What a first half for the Pirates.
Oh,
As
free three.
Castor, third three of the game.
He is online. The bigs of San Sebastian are online today. Richo and Castor combining, I think, for 17 or 18 points na sila combined.
As Jonathan Daileg answers back with his own three.
Telling you.
Narinig niya na kursonado mo siya.
Last year ko pa sinasabi yan. Pag ganyan ka kalaki, ganyan ka ka-athletic, tapos rumi-rebound ka in traffic, may tira ka sa labas.
He had big games last season.
Oo, hindi lang, ito, 4 nila.
Look at that.
Castor. Oh, free 3.
Richo, may tres din pala to. Pumalog. And LPU gets the ball back. Barba, tatakbo na naman, nasundutan. Quahao gets the ball. Quahao, dire-diretso. He was blocked. Versosa to Barba from the corner. In and out. Tatakbo na si De La Rama. Richo drops it off. Nako, overpassing for San Sebastian. Balingayan now in the game for the first time. 10 to shoot for the gray shirt. Daileg, sobra lang yung looper doon. Nakuha ng San Sebastian ang bola rito. Ito ng depensa. What a transition defense there from LPU. Care of that guy.
Number 19.
Kasi maraming possessions tong game na to. And how about this? Jonathan Daileg with a heavy step back pull-up 3. Sa akin, stretch na talaga yung range.
Marami.
Oo. Yung range talaga ng players. Yan yung mid-range jumper nila yung 3-point shot.
You'll be more effective kapag mas malayo ang kaya mo.
Aha.
And you can do more. As Barba, once again, will try to attack. Basket para rito kay Ato Barba.
Welcome back, Ato. Yan yung sanay ako na Ato Barba. Salamat sa Diyos. Pinagdasal ko rin yan naman. Kasi yung mga players natin na our top players need to be on top of their game. And Ato Barba had a fluky first and second game and hopefully he is definitely back.
Well, according to Coach Gilbert, Ato is not feeling well on that
Ay,
second
hindi.
game.
Don't niniwala dun. Basta nakabihis ka.
Well, sabi nga ni Ato,
Oo,
talagang
basta-
walang reason.
Oo,
Walang
walang
excuse.
excuses. Basta nagbihis ka, ready ka
Ready
maglaro.
ka.
Oo, yan ang expectation ng coach. Nagbihis ka, 100% ka. Kaya kita mo siya, hindi siya nagbibigay ng excuse. Laro ako, wala lang laro.
Kwahao pulls up and makes it.
Round 3.
Curious ako kung paano nagpipiso-piso tong magkapatid na Vincent Ian.
Eh, sigurado yung kuya naglalaro sa labas, yung bata, yung mga kabatch niya, kalaro din. Tapos, napapanood yung kuya, syempre, positive influence.
Tatakbo na Filibrico with Delarama. Filibrico decides to take it all away but misses. Delarama with an offensive board. Ito na naman si Delarama rito. Ilan na ba rebound ito si Delarama?
4-5.
I think he has
6.
Anim. 3 offensive. That's his 4th offensive rebound.
Pero yung mga ganito kasi player, si Delarama, okay ka kampiyan kasi lagi kang may extra possession. Nakikita sa box score yung rebounds, pero mas okay kasi nabubuksan din yung mga kakampi niya dahil, tulad yan, nakashoot pa ng 3 points. Isa-scout na eh, sasabihin na ng coach, kailangan yung box out itong bata.
If it's not rebounding, he's scoring. Itong si Delarama. Pero down pa rin sila 48-35. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. We're seeing Sir Melchor Divina, ang ating Mancom chairman sa ating NCAA Season 101, ang ating host, Kula, Mapua University. Happy viewing, sir. Siyempre, Sir Francisco Guzzi Jr.
Sir Frank.
Mula naman sa Perpetual Altas. Umaasa sila na mas magandang laro pa. Ito mangyayari dito sa
Bawi yan.
sa LP at San
First half pa lang.
Sebastian.
Papunta pala tayo sa exciting na parts.
Siyempre, Father Virgilio Paredes Jr. OAR. Magandang tanghali po. Ito magandang siesta. Basketball.
Ako tumatakas ako para maglaro eh. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, Solar Boys ako dun sa amin eh. Tanghaling tapat kami naglalaro open court eh.
Yung kabibilad lang na, katatanggal lang ng binilad na palay, no?
Oo. Pag nasa Pampanga kami nun pag summer, ganun.
Mapali yun, coach.
Oh, Brad. Saka hindi ka pa, hindi ka pwedeng nakasapatos.
Tatawanan ka pa, no?
Oo,
Pagka sa
Brad. Kasi
basis
mga
yan.
kalaro mo, pare-parehas kayo laro eh, mga bata eh.
Barba, traveling violation. Kitang-kita ng ating mga referee doon. Ito na naman yung depensa ng San Sebastian. They need more of this para mas makabalik pa dito sa
Finishrink
laban
nila
na
yung
to.
driving lane eh. Masyadong masikip yung space na inaatake ni Ato Barba. Kasi kanina nakakuha na siya ng mga penetrations.
Kwahao gives it to Delarama. 2:44 remaining in this first half. Castor, 3 na sa laban na to. Kwahao! Ito na naman, catch and shoot! Anything but the shot there for Kwahao.
Trying to go for that high-low to floppy action.
Barba na naman. He
Jump
can
switch.
pull up from that distance. Versosa against Delarama. No, Barba. Sabi sa'yo, coach eh. Versosa, batting it out of the rebound. Ang bola, babalik sa mga nakapula. Pula ba to orange?
Red yan. Red and gold yan eh. Masyado lang matingkad yung ilaw.
Yung maliwanag, no?
So,
Sobra.
kasi ngayon yung mga sublimated jerseys, hindi na matingkad yung pula eh.
May reflection eh.
Oo. Kasi polyester na yung tela niyan eh. Ayos ba? Pati yun.
Yan. Kasi
Kasi-
sa'yo may trivia eh.
Oo, Brad. Kasi dati, yung mga jersey, di ba yung jersey fabric, mabigat pag napapawisan. Itong polyester.
Yung may butas-butas. No?
Oo.
Here's Castor. Tend to shoot for the red shirt.
Good pass.
Great pass there! Grabe. Mapapakamot ng ulo yung pumasa ron.
Pero okay lang kasi good shot attempt naman. Next play na yan.
Casino swings it to Doral. Now Barba, hands off. Ito yung ball screen na sinasabi ni Ato. Anong gagawin niya rito? Yung depensa, nandun talaga para kay
Kasi
Ato.
pag nakita natin to pag nagbo-ball screen, ta-turn ng corner si Ato Barba. Gusto niyang kunin yung angle papasok. Pag turn ng corner, ang ginagawa ni Coach Rob Labagana ngayon is magja-jump switch siya. So switch, soft yung switch niya, sa slide lang, sa slide, sasama. Si Barba, pag naramdaman niyang medyo mabagal ka, ididiin niya. So pagka-big ka, pag nabangga ka, ayun o, tingnan mo, pagka-turn niya ng corner, soft show, slide. Pag bumangga, ayun o, yung hawak. Yun ang tinatawagan ng mga officials. Kasi pagka-big guy ka, ayaw mo makakuha ng buwelo yung atake.
Yeah.
You want to impede this momentum dahil yung mga ganyang kalakas na attacker, diretso agad sa basket yan. So ang teaching point lagi, open your arms, play big. Lalakihan mo, tanggapin mo yung bangga sa dibdib. Madaling sabihin.
Mahirap.
Exactly. Tsaka masakit
Mahirap
gawin.
tanggapin.
Oy, masakit gawin.
Marami kang natanggap na ganun, Coach.
Dami. Import yung mga binabantay ko. At saka si OG Minor, pagka mag-hard show ka, balikat talaga sa ensayo pa lang. Kaya nung NC na, pagka pinapasok ako, tatanggap, okay lang yan. Mas mabibigat yung kakampi ko eh.
Ito yung tinitake advantage ni Ato. And if you're a big guy, yung mga nag-help, you have to be
Exactly.
ready. As
Yun yun
Quahao misses from the 3. De La Rama, fifth offensive board. Grabing sipag ito si Juniel. Ito naman si Versosa sa ilalim against Quahao.
Good pass.
Peñafiel to Barba. Hesitates but Montaño won't.
Take.
Celebrico umatake.
Yun.
Almost a great defense by Montaño. Sumabit lang.
Oo, tatawagan talaga yun under FIBA rules. Kasi tingnan mo downhill drive, attacking the defender right on his chest, and then yung pag, cross the arm. Dalawang beses pa nga siya pwede tawagan. Yung initial incursion na paangat, at saka yung pag-slap. Rule of the thumb kasi, you have cylinders around you. Pag umatake ka, in-extend, in-impede, foul. Pag ikaw naman, idiniin mo sa katawan ng dumidepensa, pwedeng offensive foul.
Yeah.
So, meron kayong area of responsibility on both sides.
Well, what I like with Celebrico for this season, yung kumpiyansa niya rin to handle the ball, no?
Brad, mythical 5 eh. Siya ni Barba eh. Diba?
Parang last season, more on getting everything at the post or from the 3.
Yep. Kasi wing naman talaga itong si TJ. And now, he is given more opportunity to expand this game.
Here's LPU's attack. Casino to Barba, pulls up, misses. Golden Sachs running right now. De La Rama takes it inside. And the basket for Juniel.
Sunado ako itong maglaro talaga. Takbo lang, tapos hindi siya matakaw sa bola. Ayun, feeling in the lane lang. Basic basketball lang yan, getting chopped across the arms, strong enough. 19 anyos, Brad. Maraming pahihirapan to sa NC. Tama ba? 19 lang to si Juniel eh. Mythical 5 to, di ba? Sa juniors, si De La Rama. Oo. Tama, Letran. Letran. Okay, Coach Willie.
It's just a 11-point lead for LPU. We are 34 seconds away from ending this first half. Peñafiel gives it to Casino. 7 to shoot for the Gray Shirts. Peñafiel takes it inside. Kicks it out to Ato. At mauubusan na ng oras. Panira na sana yun for Ato.
Oo, yung kay Ato, pukul mo na yun, Brad. Pero I like the intention of going downhill and finding somebody free and pitching extra. But titingin ka lang sa kabilang court eh. Kita mo na yung oras eh. Kita mo pag check mo sa shot clock. Uy, 3 seconds. Yung mga ganun, may mga tier yan eh. Default, sinong titira ng mga last shot? Renz Villegas, Ato Barba. No matter what happens.
Parang wala ka ng choice. Ikaw yun eh.
Your best player should be touching that rock on the dying seconds. Your best creator, best shot maker. Silang dalawa yun. So, gotta hold it.
You have to embrace it. Kapag ganito mga pagkakataon, San Sebastian will try to get the lead down to just single digits on this possession. 10 seconds remaining on this first half. Quahao has the ball. Quahao pulls up from the 3. Misses. Rizo gets the board and the basket. San Sebastian had the mini run on the end of second quarter. And they are now just down by 9, 50-41. Unang half pa lang yan. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 101.
Better version of yourself. That's why you wake up early, you grind it out. Grind it out, work smart, and put in the effort. Only good things will happen.
Yep. Para sa balita lang yung coach, you're as good as your last story.
Exactly.
And you're as
At saka
good as your
laging may,
last game.
tsaka laging may breaking.
Yes.
Kailangan lagi ka lang ready dahil may opportunity na susulpot at susulpot yan.
Eto, sumulpot sa depensa. Itong si Versosa. Block that shot by De La Rama.
So nakita mo kahit nag-retratan sila rito, pagbalik, nandun pa rin yung
Doon pa rin.
depensa. Oh, good play. Good play right there off that baseline inbound.
Yeah, that's a knockout play. This time for Risho. That's his 13th point of the game.
So double high. Ito na naman Diver, dribble kay Montaño. Corner entry. Ito, atake ito.
Villegas swings it to Montaño. Binalik sa taas. Villegas hesitates, pulls up, and makes the basket.
Yun yung gusto nila Pag nag-east-west sila, yung ball reversal. Pero ito, hinit yung corner, atake si Barba, bail out sa top, just one-on-one.
And right now, we have another report from Tati Austria. Tati.
Someone's drought has to break the day. And the San Sebastian Sags are hoping it's their time to turn the tide in their favor. Coach Rob Labagala, you can sense his eagerness to win inside the dugout during that huddle. Sabi niya, he has to help his players clean up their mistakes and he is betting on them to be able to do that. We have to keep the game moving, ika niya. Kailangan i-convert ang execution ng laro para malagpasan nila ang LPU sa puntos at naniniwala siyang every single stack is capable of stepping up and it's high time they do so. Nico and Martin.
Thank you so much, Tati. As we thought kanina na yung LPU will slowly getting away.
Oo, pull away dito. Pero hindi mo wala kang sure na lamang dito sa NC Sabi De La Rama, double digits on the rebounds. Kinuhanan pa yung sarili niyang kuya. Si Kuya TJ, corner.
Sabi ni TJ, dito ako sa corner. Ikaw ang rebound, ako ang i-score niya.
Isa pa to, si TJ Felebrico medyo off din ang start ng season. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Pero para for the good of their offense, he really needs to get going.
Si TJ, double-double man din yan of last
Oh, yeah?
season May mga game na double-double siya
Pero ngayon, he needs to expand his game more to be a little bit more of a playmaker.
Yep.
Kasi yan yung magiging opportunity niya on the next level.
As Risho running alone and he was fouled there by Montaño.
Inside hand. Akala ko ilalagay sa ring, ginamitan pa ng board. Inside hand. Bola daw.
Automatic na yan, no?
Hindi kasi ito pagkaagaw. Usually kasi ito yung ganda ng galaw na yun, off the post. Just using his strong hand. Pero ito yung off the transition. Ito yung one hand. Shot put.
Ni TJ Felebrico.
Pag ma-atake ka kasi sa fast break, especially if you're left-handed, you want your strong hand to the middle.
As Risho misses on the first shot from the line. We still haven't seen Rafael Are.
Oh, nandun siya sa dulo ng bench, naka-jacket.
And there must be something kay
Baka wala lang sa rotation
Yep.
ngayon. Kasi maganda yung nilalaro ng mga young boys
Lalo ni Ian Guajao.
Coach Rob.
Versosa hands it off to Barba. Now Moralejo calling the play here.
Parang phone call to.
Kala ko Siargao yung ganun
Hang loose na play.
Moralejo.
5 out.
Now Villegas, 7 to shoot. Moralejo free from the 3.
Basket.
Yes, sir!
Pasado at sigurado. Diretsong-diretso. Yung 3-point shot na yun ni Josh Moralejo. Pang-apat na 3-point shot ni Josh Moralejo. 16 puntos.
7 ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian dito.
Ganda ng
Felebrico. Second try. Mintis pa rin para kay TJ.
Ito downhill.
Montaño at the post. Binigay kay Barba. Swings it to Moralejo. Versosa offering a pick here. Swings it to Villegas. Fakes. Dances from the 3. Again for LPU.
That was a tough shot. Flip, step back, dragging your feet, then pulling up.
Parang nakita ko sa TikTok yung ganung trend.
Anak ko na lang yung may TikTok eh.
Wow.
Nakiki-TikTok na lang ako eh.
Risho, ito na naman yung galaw ni Risho sa ilalim. Gives it to De La Raman, nako. Huling-huli.
Naubusan ng espasyo.
Huli
Pero
pero
kita mo yung confidence ni Christian Risho ngayon sa post-up. It goes hand in hand with getting a little bit more physically ready. Kasi pag tinignan mo siya and he gained a good amount of weight. Well, yun yung kailangan eh. Kasi pagka freshman ka, medyo balingkinitan yung katawan mo. Yung off-season, yun yung pinaka-importante. Magkakaroon ka ba ng sophomore slump o mag-improve yung laro mo? Definitely ngayon, nagdagdag siya ng timpang nakakatulong sa kanya.
at nag-improve ang laro.
Oo. Kasi yung skills madaling maturo eh. Especially pagka physically ready ka. Pagka wala ka sa kondisyon, kahit anong skill work mo, hindi mo ma-apply yan.
3 to shoot for LPU.
Really?
Moralejo from the corner. Misses.
Good recognition by Villegas. Alam niya na nasa
10 na naman ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian.
So-
Quahao pulls up and makes it this time.
good call out by Ian Quahao. But that miss was the first miss from 3 by Josh Moralejo.
12 points for Ian Quahao. Yun nga lang, 4 out of 14 from the field goal. Pero tira lang ng tira, mahuhulog yan.
Naman. Tsaka pag may green light ka, tira ka lang ng tira.
Tsaka yung bitaw ni Quahao, there will always be...
May tulog, no?
Yeah, oo, parang kala mo laging mahuhulog. And we will have a break first. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.
Okay, when we go, okay, when we go to our fans to show you, huwag natin pupulin Brown. Okay? Christian shoots the ball right there. Siya na monster. Siya na monster. Huwag na tayo mag-ano. Kasi ngayon, kanina, nag-correct na tayo. Junior na nandito, TJ na nandito. Ian, improve your flanks mo. Okay? Papunta dito. Kaso lang, it's TJ. Nawawalan tayo sa gusto natin. Kaya pag-reverse dito.
We're back at the Mall of Asia Arena. This time, makita natin Attorney Roberto Laurel mula dito sa LPU. One of our NCAA policy board.
Yep. Always smiling, always amicable whenever we...
Anong Tagalog ng amicable ko?
masiyahin.
Yeah.
Masiyahin. Welcoming yan. Okay? Ha? Gusto mo ba mas malalim? Ikaw, dahil ikaw ang aming kinapipita-pitagang punong abala sa larong
Sa
ito.
larong ito. Still, LPU Pirates leading here 58-51, but we have seen a much more improved third quarter from San Sebastian. Care of this guy, Ian Quahao. Pulling off from the 3. Let's see if he can sustain up until the end at tuluyang mahabol. Itong LPU Pirates, Moralejo gives it to Kating Barba. Now Montaño swings it to the left. 4 to shoot. Moralejo. Di niya nakita itong shot clock.
Kasi pagka naglalaro ka on your front court, hindi ka doon nakatingin na shot clock. It's on the opposite shot clock. Doon ka dapat chumecheck. Kasi pag dito,
Di mo talaga
natatakpan
makikita.
ng angle. So sa kabila ang shot clock. That's one of the things na tinuturo pagka mga 10-year-olds na naglalaro. Good high-low action. And you gotta show Coach Gilbert Lau on the sideline because
Siya
he
nagturo
is
na.
the big man's coach. Ayan, yung matangkad, yung 6'7" dyan sa gilid. He has been working tirelessly with these big guys. Kasi yung high-low look na yan, talagang you have to work on that, especially on the angles of passing. Kahit na malalaki, pag hindi marunong pumasa ng high-low, ang hirap paratingin ng bola doon. And they've been, ayan o, yan, si Coach Gilbert. Nasa kaliwa ni Coach Rob. That guy has been, I've been able to work with him, work with the big guys, and really a very smart and very tough coach when it comes to big men skill work. Kaya nag-improve itong si Risho,
Ito si
physically strong, tapos nabibigyan na sila ng touches ngayon. Dati kasi rat-ratan tong San Sebastian, so nahihirapan makakuha ng touches yung mga bigs.
And right now, 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian dito as Villegas has the ball now. 10 to shoot for the LPU. Villegas block shot.
Good challenge. Right hand shooter, left hand up. Sa gilid ka lang para hindi ka matawagan ng foul. Good challenge by number 28 na Pasena. Pero may foul dito. On the crash board, si Castor, hinawakan niya si Versosa. Kasi si Versosa, ano rin to eh. Parang kitikiti, galaw ng galaw. So, even before the play, even before he crashes the board, you need to put a body on him na para he doesn't make a play for the ball. Kasi malamang sa malamang matatapik niya o makukuha niya.
And here's Daileg. 7 to shoot. Hindi na naman yata nakikita.
As a travel.
Ang shot clock, pero naunahan na ng ibang violation itong LPU. A chance for San Sebastian to take advantage and move closer dito sa laban na to. Ian Quahao ni Pasena ang naglabas. Here's Gabat. Gives it to Quahao. Quahao, two-man game with Risho. Risho fires.
Good box out.
Tatakbo na si Moralejo. Versosa fakes. Daileg,
A free
3. From the 3, misses! Tatakbo na itong San Sebastian. And with that, 2 na lang ang hinahabol nila. Care of that shot by Lumanag.
Just forcing numbers and pulling up on the shaded area. You need to have that in your back pocket if you're a guard.
Turnover once again for LPU. Coach, we're trying to talk about San Sebastian turnover ng mga nakakaraang laban. Pero ngayon,
Mataas ang turnovers ng LPU.
yeah, 12 turnovers for LPU.
This lead was as high as 19. Okay, back to the drawing board. You only give up big leads when number 1, you take bad shots, you commit bad turnovers,
Yep.
and you give out bad fouls. Check dun sa tatlong yun, ang LPU, etong San Sebastian, hindi humihinto. Ngat-ngat lang ng ngat-ngat. And that's a characteristic of a young team.
Yep.
Pag bata yung team mo, parang JRU din, bata yung team, hindi hihinto eh. Wala silang pakialam sa score, gagawin lang nila ng gagawin yung pinagagawa ng coach nila.
Risho can tie this game. Tatakbo na itong si Moralejo. Natumba itong si Moralejo. Na-angle breaker ng sarili. Aviles.
Oh, good
Great
pick there
defense.
by Risho.
And Lumanag. Risho scores the basket to tie this game up at 58. Timeout muna rito ang LPU Pirates. Turnovers piling para dito sa mga Pirata. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. San Sebastian Golden Stags coming back in this game now. We are tied at 58. And the passing of the big man nitong San Sebastian Golden Stags, and also the fast break points para sa mga nakapula. Talagang gumagana para kay Coach Rob Labagala.
And they're forcing the tempo. They want to go faster, they want to score better. And they've been getting stops and providing friction sa opensa ng LPU. Biglang umalat yung shooting ng LPU here in the third quarter. Kasi sumikip din at naging mas demonstrative, mas active yung depensa ng San Sebastian. So we'll see how Coach Gilbert would adjust.
What you're seeing also from San Sebastian is they're really sharing that basketball well. They have 16 assists in this game kontra dun sa 12 lang nitong LPU. As Peñafiel scores the basket. Pamatay sunog para sa
Aha.
LPU.
Kailangan na kailangan nila yun kasi second deadlock pa lang ng laro natin. Uy, good interior passing.
Ito na naman yung dalawang big man. As San Sebastian misses on that possession. Balik ang bola sa LPU. Peñafiel, curling. Force it. Nakagaw ni Gabat. Gabat takes it inside. That's good!
Ito rin, ang laki talaga na in-improve ng laro ni Gabat sa feel niya ng laro. Dati para maglaro
Yeah.
to. Ngayon, percentage player, he knows when to force.
May preno na, no?
Oo, marunong mag-minor.
As Moralejo answers from the three. I think that's Moralejo's fifth three-point shot in
5
this
out of
game.
6.
Lamang na naman ang tatlong LPU. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Gabat pulls up, misses. Ito na may offensive rebound. Lumanag makes it this time.
Stay dito si Lumanag.
With that, we have a close ball game in this third quarter. Moralejo against Quahao. Oh,
Good defense.
turnover once again from LPU.
Good defense by Ian Quahao. Just hounding him on the point of attack. As we see this attack by Simon Peñafiel, yung pansagot kanina. Yan susundan doon ng 3-point shot. Same play. Dinagod ko fast break.
And here's Gabat. Sabi ni coach, wala na yung bara-bara tayo. Mas
Pero
kalkulado.
pagka
na. Kailangan.
nakaka-atake siya, alam mo madiin maglaro. Last season lang, talagang may mga reckless movements na ginagawa, may mga reckless shots silang tinitake. Pero ito, ang ganda ng action na yun.
No good on that second serving para kay Nepasena.
Oo, ganda ng pagkaka-run nila ng back pick to brush screen sa hando.
And look at this. Ito yung tira ni Lumanag off the fake. Pulls up. The lost arc off.
Meaning,
Perimeter shot.
na-extend lang, humaba lang yung range. Dahil threes are better than twos. Kung may
Yep.
fours, baka four pa yung mga tinitira nila. Kaya sa Pro League natin may ganun na.
Aviles from the three. Can't make it. And the ball will go back to the red shirts.
Wala pa naman sila sa penalty.
26.2 seconds remaining. The ball can still go back to the Pirates.
Ian Quahao. Il Gastor returning for San Sebastian.
Ito si Quahao. Babad na babad dito, coach. Feeling. Itong
Next in line na yun sasagad mo na yan. Para masanay na siya na siya yung main guy on that guard position. Tsaka San Sebastian laging may ganyan. Lagi talaga silang may mga
Backup, no?
Jasper Ocampo. Mga maliliit na guards na scorers.
10 to shoot for San Sebastian. Quahao steps back. Misses. 7 to shoot for LPU. Balingayan has the ball. 2 to shoot. Villegas. Pinasa pa at hindi naaabot to. At the end of the third quarter, LPU still leading. Pero isa lang rito, 63 to 62 against the San Sebastian Golden Stags. Let's see if San Sebastian can complete the comeback. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. It's a much better third quarter for San Sebastian Golden Stag, scoring 21 points against that LPU's 13 points. Napakaganda ng ikot ng bola. Right now, they have 17 assists dito sa ating tatlong quarters. Tingnan natin if they can sustain dito sa huling quarter ng laro. They're down 62-63. Malayo pa ang basketball natin.
Ang dami pa nito. Saka ako, I like what Coach Rob is doing. And he's trying to use this younger squad. Ito, Lumanag ang magpo-point guard along with Polo Gabat. And De La Rama with Napasena and Risho on the floor. Sa kabila naman, it's Villegas, Aurigue, Aviles, Barba, and Palingayan. No. Natago siya doon sa gilid, di ko makita yun eh.
Ito si Gabat, nawala ang bola rito. Sayang doon.
Oo, hindi mo
Ang
kailangan.
possession.
Nagulat ako nag one-on-one.
Tapos sa gilid pa.
Oo, sa gilid mahirap yun. Mahirap na angle. Nabati ko yata na mas steady ngayon umexecute.
Si Palingayan medyo short din ng oras dito sa laro na ito. Villegas finding Palingayan here. Aurigue pulls up, misses. Another stop from San Sebastian. This is their chance to get their first lead of the game. Risho, Lumanag pulls up, misses once again.
Golden opportunities yan. Pang-apat na possession na pwede sana sila lumamang.
Sabi ni Barba, akin muna. Aurigue with a pick. Trying to give it to Aviles. Hindi lang maiabot. Nag-pick na lang si Aviles. Villegas takes it inside and he was fouled. Going up.
Parang nakasingle na motor yung singit ni Renz Villegas. Tingnan mo rito, ang sikip.
Pero hindi kamote yan. So,
Hindi.
calculated yan.
Tatlo yung kumampas. Eh.
Abrigana is back in the game. After that, those 2 3-point shots on the first half, hindi na natin nakita itong si Abrigana. Let's see if he can make more sa ating fourth quarter as Villegas misses on that first shot. Medyo problema ni Villegas ang free throw this season. Lalo yung mga ganyang...
Well, the first game, he was shooting really well except for he missed an opportunity to win the ball game.
11 out of 13.
Off a free throw. Pero yan naman yan, babawi. Ebbs and flows. Averages, you would shoot well one game. You might shoot bad another game, but the challenge would always be staying consistent.
Felibrico shrugs up the defense. Guahao to De La Rama. Blocked there by Renz Villegas. What an effort
Good
from
hustle.
Villegas. And right now, 3.7 seconds to shoot for San Sebastian. What are they gonna do here? Guahao with an inbound. What a play! Iyan lang.
Dito mamasa rin.
Mauubusan na ng 24 ang San Sebastian. But this time, we will have another report from Dati Austria. Dati!
This is the fourth quarter. This will be a test for you. Yan ang salitang binitawan ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan as the LPU Pirates are clutching on to every single bit of stamina they have left. Coach Gilbert is pushing his team to pass wisely but think fast during the huddle. Dagdag pa niya, sayang naman ang pinaghirapan natin. Ibigay na natin lahat. Now, will they be able to break free from the San Sebastian Stags? Nico and Martin.
Martin.
Yeah. Only my grandmother calls me Martin. Hindi, yung lola ko, di na nga Martin tawag sa akin.
Lola Tati. As Villegas. gives
Gulat
it to
ka rin,
Barba.
no?
Oo. Sabi ko, kasama ko ba
Oo,
si Boss Martin?
Oo nga, dapat din ako.
Hindi ako sanay, Coach. Yun lang.
Wala nang tumatawag sa akin nun eh.
Eto, si Tati.
Siya lang. So baseline inbound now for LPU with an opportunity to add on to this lead. Ngayon mo makikita sino yung mga kailangan mong dalhan ng bola para mag-execute. So ayan, pahawak mo kay Barba. Tahimik si Barba ng third quarter.
Barba, sabi niya, hindi na ngayon.
Yan.
As Barba gets the basket with a foul.
Kasi ang next progressions niya, pagka ikaw main gunner, main focal point, pagka nagkakaroon ng run na malaki yung kalaban, no, teka lang. We have to run our packages. It's not necessarily that I would make a basket, but I need to make a play. Might be on the defensive end, might be on the offensive end. Right now, shaky yung hawak nila sa lamang. Run a package for your best players, Villegas, Barba. Sa kabila, get looks for Quahao. Right now, Quahao, Felebrico, Ricio. Yan yung mga main guys mo sa opensa na maganda yung nilalaro ngayon. Kaya lang nagtatapon ng bola.
Look at the defense from LPU Pirates as Villegas
Good
loses
clean
the
play.
ball. And now Barba once again has the ball here. Gives it to Abregana from the 3. Misses. Nauna na si Telerama, malakas ang pasa.
Naubusan ng espasyo.
Ito na yung turnover na sinasabi natin for San Sebastian.
Kalma lang, mahaba pa yan. 7 minuto mahigit pa yan.
Villegas misses on the jumper. Balik ang bola sa San Sebastian dito. Ricio. Pinilit ang tira, but he gets a foul.
Ay, swing down.
Second foul in number 22.
Medyo di sigurado si Ricio on that attack kung anong gagawin niya. As
Kasi
we
kasi
see
4
here.
si Ricio, hindi pa ito nadadagdag sa skill set niya yung magdala ng bola pa atake. Ayan, yung across the arm, foul talaga yan. Tatawag natin mga official, good job on our officials. Kasi it impedes the shot mabibitin. Pero nakita natin, if you're a guard, you're handling the ball, you should know the skill sets of your bigs.
Yep.
Christian Ricio. Brad, huwag ka na humingi ng bola dyan, idiin mo sa ilalim, dadalhin ko sa'yo. Tapos, si Delarama tumatakbo sa kabila, yun mo yung i-hit mo kasi may boilo, ganun siya maglaro.
Yep.
But again, they got 2 free throws out of this package. Yun yung magiging next progression para dito kay Quahao. Si Felebrico, yun yung hihingin sa kanya when he goes to the pro leagues na magiging guard ka. So you have to recognize yung the players that you're playing with inside the floor.
You really have to read the floor para rito kay Ian Quahao. As Barba has the ball once again. Trying to get it inside.
There you go.
And Barba misses. Naghahanap siya ng foul doon.
Wala, hindi tatawagan.
Felebrico. Walang tinamaan as Africana gets the rebound. Mag-isa si Barba, hindi nakita ni Balingayan. But Villegas on the open court. Mintis para kay Villegas as Felebrico drops it off to Ricio.
Basic na basic. Pass it to Delarama, extra pass. Felebrico making a play. Dropping it off. Christian Ricio right there. Sweet spot, tutukan.
You love a big man that's running.
Oh yeah.
Para rito kay Ricio as Versosa.
Lalo na pag perimeter scoring team. Kasi alam mo dominate ng mga kakampi niya yung bola. Pero dito may sagot si Ato Barba.
From the 3 this time for Ato. He is back para dito sa LPU. Ricio against Abrigana. Gives it to Felebrico muna. Attempt to shoot for the red shirt.
Masahe.
Minamama. Ito na naman yung... Nako, may foul ang itatawag against LPU. But you love those passing lanes na binabasa nitong si Felebrico.
Anyway, Delarama, attacker kasi, and Felebrico, their best, might be the best player all around, recognizing that, Ricio, yun yung mga kailangan mo sa bigs If you're running, your guard should reward you.
Ito naman yung pasa mula kay Versosa. Speaking of passing big man, para dito naman sa LPU. At hindi siya pinaya ni Ato Barbarito.
Parang pagka pagka may mga, alam mo saan mo dadalhin yung bola. Ito, scorer namin, kailangan mahawakan niya yung bola. Yung big man ko, rumi-rebound, nagsisend na magandang screen, bigyan ko ng isang beses. Diba? Yung mga ganyan para lang yung continuity, yung vibe ng team mo, laging up
Reward ang tawag dyan.
Exactly. Mabubwisit yan pagka screen na screen, tapos pag libre, di mo pinasahan. Pero pag pinasahan ka naman pag big, i-shoot mo naman. Kasi hindi ka na makakaulit pag hindi mo sinut pag binigyan ka.
Para magdadalawang isip na, papasa ko pa ba sa'yo?
ba?
But for Ricio, malaki ang tiwala ni Felebrico sa kanya.
21 na ini-score. Might be his NCAA career high.
21 points, 4 rebounds for Christian Ricio.
pang MOA pala laruan yan.
Dapat pala dito lagi, no? We have a ball game right now. 5 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Tatlo ang inahabol ng San Sebastian. Now Barba. He loves this kind of game. Gives it to Abregana. 6 to shoot. Barba. Mula sa malayo. Barba! Again from the 3!
They got answers.
23 points for Ato Barba. Quahao. To Felebrico. Drops it off to Castor again. The playmaking of TJ.
I'm telling you, yan yung hihingin sa kanya. And now, interior passing kumakagat para dito sa offense ng San Sebastian. Being a little bit more unselfish.
Barba, maghihingi ba rito ulit? But Villegas muna. Villegas.
Wala silang makuha dun sa zoom nila.
Almost lifting that ball. Now Versosa spins. And he
Travel.
will be called for a 3
3
seconds violation.
Dalawa pa nga pwedeng itawag.
Traveling din.
Traveling or 3 seconds. Kasi dito pagkasalo.
And look at this. Africana to Barba. Ganito kalayo naman talaga.
Kung 4 yun eh.
Sinasabihin ko pa lang eh. Preparation.
Oo, dapat.
4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this game. 73 to 69. Felebrico has the ball now. Against the defense of Versosa. Gives it to Lumanag. 2-man game once again. Felebrico fakes to De La Rama. 2 to shoot. De La Rama drives, misses, but Felebrico is there. Look at De La Rama scrambling for loose ball. De La Rama misses. Third try. Misses once again. What an effort from Juniel.
Laban lang. Pero at least gusto mo, nakikita mo na kinukuha nila yung bola. Kailangan lang ma-shoot. Di talaga sila makadiin pa rito. Di makalapit.
Here's Ato, 8 to shoot for the gray shirts. Ato drives.
Huli.
Ito na ang depensa. Kuwahao, lays it in.
Hindi pa mabitin. A good transition basket there. So now they need to make a stop. Another stop for San Sebastian.
De La Rama has 17 big rebounds.
6-1, no?
A Calvin Abueva type coach, ha?
Scotty Thompson nga.
Oo, eh. Villegas to Versosa, fakes. Jumper, misses. Felebrico with a rebound. Hinanap si De La Rama
Atake.
dito. Umatake, block there! But Felebrico was there to clean up the mess.
Kita mo yun? Forward pass, sprint down. Yan yung DNA. Ito ni Felebrico. He's a hustle type of player, but now he's being a playmaker.
Another tied ball game at 7-3. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. This is a game we're expecting before the start of the game. Ito, De La Rama batting it out against everyone to get that rebound. He now has 17 rebounds in this game. Hindi sumusuko, Coach Hammer.
Wala. Bawal sumuko, bawal masaktan, bawal may maramdaman pag ganyan. Kailangan buhos ka lang. Kasi lalong-lalo na, ayaw mong mabaon sa team standings. Ayaw mong maging 0-3. May pagkakataon ka ngayon na kuhanin yung panalo. Nandiyan na rin. Ibuhos mo na. Andiyan ka na lang yun eh.
And for San Sebastian, they're trying everything to get their first win of the season. Well, same with LPU. It's just that sobrang ramdam natin yung gigil ng San Sebastian to get this
Kasi
game.
hindi sila makashoot eh. Para makatapla ka, di ka makashoot, kailangan sipagan mo. Kapag tutulog-tulog ka rito sa San Sebastian, Wala, ngangat-ngatin kanila, nangangat-ngatin. Eh, yun naman trademark yan ng mga batang teams. Parang JRU din. JRU, ganyan din. Hindi mo pwedeng pabueluhin kasi ngangat-ngatin ka din, nangangat-ngatin. Hindi yan papayag na yuyuko na lang sila, tatanggapin nila lahat sa bodega. Ay, hindi. Babawi din, may counter punch din kami.
And right now, LPU has the ball now. 2 and 59 seconds remaining. Ato to Moralejo. He's been quiet. Aurigue misses. That's an unexpected from Aurigue.
Oo, kasi tinakbo nila yung zipper screen para kay Villegas. Gusto nila makakreate ng tira off that action.
Felebrico has the ball. Now to Quahao. Medyo masikip. Castor misses. Look at that rebound. And now Felebrico fakes. What a defense there from LPU.
There you go. This is who you want the ball with.
Barba lays it in. Off the reverse, misses. Tatakbo na.
Uy!
Oh,
What pass?
that's a lazy pass. And
Bad
Versosa
pass.
was fouled on the way up.
Oh, that was a bad pass by TJ Felebrico. He was expecting na nakababa na si Versosa. Binagsak lang niya yung bola doon. Eh, no? Lazy eh. Eh, itong si Versosa parang...
Ang haba eh.
Oo.
Daniel de la Rama.
What an effort from Versosa.
For Mr. Celebrico. Shooting 2 shots.
What a game we're having right now.
Yun lang. Pagkakataon sana nilang lumamang yun. But of course, you gotta take care of that basketball.
Still, coach, no? Hindi pa sila lumalamang dito sa laban nito for San Sebastian. They had so many chances, coach. Hindi lang nako-convert itong mga
Exactly.
atake ng San Sebastian.
Tsaka yun, good stop na nga eh. Nakuha na nila yung bola. They just want to make a basket or engage their offense to find a shot that they would like.
Versosa makes both free throws. Another chance for San Sebastian to tie this game up or pwede ring take the lead. Castor pulls up, misses. Look at that rebound from Lumanag.
Extra possessions sumalaban dito ang San Sebastian. Nobody boxing these guys out. And they keep on crashing the boards.
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Moralejo has the ball. Aurigue with a pick. Rizo against Moralejo. Moralejo dancing. Nakawala sa depensa. Drops it off. Versosa fakes. Fires. Misses. De La Rama with yet another board. A chance for San Sebastian once again to take the lead. Quahao gets it to De La Rama. Lumanag, 7 to shoot for the red shirt. Are they aware? De La Rama swings it to Lumanag from the 3. Misses! Under a minute remaining.
Roller popper.
Still tied at 75. Barba spins. Nawala ang bola. Gives it to Moralejo. 8 to shoot for the gray shirts. Moralejo against Castor. Moralejo steps back. Misses. De La Rama with another rebound. Quahao has the ball. 15 to shoot. Rizo with a pick. Now Lumanag swings it to De La Rama. 7 to shoot for the red shirts. De La Rama drives, kicks it out. Castor misses, but Rizo is there. And there will be a foul. No. Tinibol sa labas.
Oh, stepping on the line.
Timeout LPU Pirates.
What a game, coach. We're still tied at 75. Pagbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. We're back here at the Mall of Asia Arena as we see Mr. Efren Jose Supan.
Coach Paul.
Yan. Nanonood dito sa atin. Napakaganda laban. Next game ang JRU, ha?
Game yan.
For Pinel Blazers, Sir Manuel Raymond Castellano.
Coach Dax.
Magandang laro ang napapanood nila ngayon.
Of course.
We're tied at 75. LPU and San Sebastian Golden Stags, and the ball is now with the LPU Pirates. What a game we're having here. As we see here, the chances from San Sebastian. It's just that they are not converting. Same with LPU, they had chances.
Yep.
Lalo itong tira ni Moralejo na to, Coach.
Yan ang mga point blank shots, nga makeable shots. But now 13 seconds, you want to milk the clock as much as you can. Yan yung last stepping on the line, Christian Richo. So ito, gusto mo, kukuha ka lang ng tira around the 6-second mark. Both teams, LPU still has 3 more fouls to give. Dalawang timeout pa ang San Sebastian. Wala nang timeout dito ang LPU.
You have Barba, Versosa, Villegas, Moralejo at Naileg para rito sa opensa ng LPU Pirates. But you know who wants that ball? 13 to shoot for LPU Pirates. This is for the win for LPU. Villegas, 7 to shoot. Villegas steps back, fires, a jumper, misses! Scrambling for loose ball. And 4 quarters are not enough para sa laban na to. We're going to overtime.
Let's go.
We are going to overtime.
After those chances, look at the shot by Renz Villegas. Nakuha niya yung ganong gusto niyang move, Coach. Hindi lang nakakuha ng magandang tira.
Well, andun din yung depensa ni Castor na challenge and they were able to withstand that attack. So another 5 minutes.
As both supporters mula doon sa parehong koponan ay tuwan-tuwa sa laban na to. Overtime, kasama si Coach Hammer Martin Antonio.
Omar Gordon starting
The
the overtime. And he didn't play the whole game.
I think he was there for 22 seconds on the regulation. But tingnan natin kung gaano kalamig. Moralejo gets the ball, 10 to shoot for the gray shirts. Moralejo spins and he will be called for a traveling violation. At tuloy-tuloy ang hindi take advantage nitong parehong koponan sa kanilang mga tsansa. And now it's San Sebastian time to take the lead for the first time. Are they gonna get it? Ang tanong dyan. De La Rama swings into Lumanag. Now Richo with a fade. And the basket.
High low again. Talagang ginagatasan nila yun.
Gordon. Will he take it? No. Jonathan Daileg fires. All board. And Lumanag will be fouled. Balik ang bola sa mga nakapula.
Back in foul lane number 23.
You wanna know the reason of Coach Gilbert Malaban of having Homer Gordon starting that overtime, Coach?
Siguro to extend their rotation. Pero ako isasagad ko na yan eh. Dadailig ako, Barba. Montaño, meron pa ako.
Quahao looking at the clock here. They're up by 2 for the first time in this game. Del Arama, no, Quahao pulls up from the 3, misses! San Sebastian won't get that basketball. Dalawa ang nagagawan doon. Balik ang bola sa LPU. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. Dalawa na ang lamang nitong San Sebastian. Can they sustain? Moralejo calling the play here. Pick by Versosa. Now Montaño. Barba. Ito na naman yung
Hand check.
hand check. Higabat.
Naka-anchor yung kanyang kaliwang kamay sa
And
hips.
check foul number 7, Ralph Gamba penalty.
Montaño is somehow a missing link here in this game for
Shooting
Coach
shot,
Gilbert.
shot,
Only 2
Barba.
points for Kyle Montaño. As Barba misses on that important free throws. And for Ato, this is the time where you want to show up.
Yep, winning time.
1 out of 2. And the basket para kay Ato Barba. Ayan ang mga masaya, yung mga fans ng parehong koponan. Pareho panalo yan. Gabat. Swings it to Lumanag. Fakes, fires, misses. And De La Rama once again getting that rebound, and this time with the basket. May foul pa.
Ilang rebounds na to? 20 na yata, no? 21?
Number 4.
Let me see. De La Rama has 21 big rebounds.
6'1". 21 rebounds. 21. Hindi po typo yan. 21.
Yun lang. He can't complete the 3-point play. Meron muna tayong report bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy mula kay Tati Austria. Tati,
Iisa ang naging sigaw ni Ian Cuajao during the huddle at yan ay one stop. Ang overtime na ito ang kanilang pagkakataon upang makamit ang kanilang unang panalo this season for the San Sebastian Sags. Ayon naman kay Coach Rob Labagala, nobody stops until we pursue that rebound. What is it looking like on your behalf, Nico and Coach Hammer?
stop plus conversion.
Yep.
Medyo maka-cancel out yung stop na yan if you can convert, lalo
Yep.
in this kind of close game.
And you want to execute hanggang dulo. Execute. Ubusin mo yung oras. Find a way to get quality shots.
Versosa misses. 2 misses from the line dito sa ating overtime para rito sa LPU Pirates, where they needed it most. 79-76 with 3 minutes remaining. Versosa, can he make it? Misses once again, and San Sebastian gets the board. An important possession mula rito sa San Sebastian. Cuajao to Lumanag. Now De La Rama, 6 to shoot. Sa ilalim muna, Richo fades away, but misses. Rebound Villegas. Villegas takes it inside, and he was fouled. Bless the basket.
Good drive by Renz Villegas. Caught the defense backpedaling, attacking, using his elbow to guard his body. No extension. Makikita mo dito. Right elbow right there. No extension. That is legal.
He's been trying to take that jumper kanina pa, but this time he decided to take it inside, and he's successful. And a chance for Villegas to tie this game up. Can he complete the 3-point play? Makes it! We're tied once again. This time at 79.
6 deadlock of the ball game.
Here's the possession ng San Sebastian. Cuajao takes it from the 3. It's good! Big time shot from Ian Cuajao.
Good extra pass right there. Free from the corner and even better shot on the wing.
Villegas steps back once again.
So Renz Villegas now.
It's just a 1-point lead for San Sebastian as Cuajao pulls up another one. Misses. Barba gets the ball. And now Moralejo. Moralejo flies. Misses. And Gabat gets the rebound.
Ayan, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang, execute lang, 90 seconds. 6 na possession pa yan.
1-point lead for San Sebastian. Gabat gets it, pulls off, jumper is good! What an overtime for San Sebastian. Villegas calling the play, 1:10 seconds remaining. Villegas swings it to Barba from the three!
Good recognition, strong side help on the wing area. After turning that corner, libre ato Barba.
7th deadlock of the game. Under a minute remaining. San Sebastian has the ball. De La Rama with a pick. Ian Cuajo with the ball. Pulls up from the three. Ian Cuajo with the answer. What a shot!
Big shot para kay Ian Cuajo, pero mahaba pa to.
41 seconds remaining. Villegas dancing, hesitating. Now Moralejo.
Stepping on the line.
Villegas there, tumapak sa linya. Look at this shot by Ian Cuajo. Big time shot for a big time player. Itong si Ian Cuajo. And this time, Villegas with a step back. Sumagot naman doon si Gabat on the jumper. Grabe itong laro na to, Coach Hammer.
Yep, and you gotta tip your hat to Coach Rob Labagala. Trusting his young boys. And these are the freshmen, sophomore players.
Who's gonna get their first win of the season? Almost a steal there from Villegas. 14 to shoot. Cuajo gets it to Gabat.
Pero pulikat na si Barba dito. Ito yung magiging point of attack nila. Kailangan atakihin nila yung nagka-cramps.
6 to shoot. Now, De La Rama gives it to Cuajo. Hindi nakuha yung bola. Napunta sa atin ang bola, Coach Hammer.
Masyado malakas yung pasa.
Diamond LP.
Okay lang? Okay lang. Okay lang. At least nakuha doon sa video mo.
Parang na-stop din ako doon, Coach.
Oo nga eh. Pero good defense for LPU with holding the attacks of San Sebastian. But how about this kid? Cuajo, 2 crucial 3-pointers in overtime. Dalawang magkasunod, giving them breathing room.
The Kuya must be proud.
Definitely. Kahit di siya sumut ng dalawa. Kahit di siya sumut ng dalawang ganun, proud yan. Kapatid mo yan eh. Pero yung sumut ng dalawa, utol ko yan.
Ito lang yung huling turnover nitong San Sebastian. A chance for them to seal this game. And now LPU has another shot at basketball to tie this game up. San Sebastian is now on the brink of winning their first game of the season.
9.3. Mahaba pa to, isang sideline. Makakakuha ka pa ng isang ball screen, downhill drive. Careful on the corners. Kung ikaw San Sebastian, you want to stick on the strong side. Ganyan ang ginagawa nila on downhill attacks. Hinahanap nila yung mga shooters.
And the question for
Ayan
LPU
yung sinasabi
now,
ni Coach Gilbert. Wala nang do-double. Tinituro niya corner at saka wing. Kung magbibigay kayo ng puntos, palay-upin nyo na lang para lamang tayo ng dalawa. Pero nire-remind niya, wing, nakashoot si Barba, at saka corner.
Barba is still in the game despite the cramps.
Wala no, winning time.
Yep. 9.3 seconds remaining. They need the 3 here. Barba pulls up from the 3. It's good! What a shot there! Forato Barba!
Winning time, winning plays. That's when you need your best players. Now, 4.9, who do you call if you're Coach Rob Labagala?
We are not yet done. Ato Barba. Look at this play. The ball screen, the handoff.
Wala, umander.
And look at that.
Masyadong malaki yung espasyo para kay Ato Barba.
Yun yung kanina niya pa tinitira, Coach Hammer.
Oo.
Yun yung lagi niyang tinitira. And look at that. Shooting with ease, itong si Ato.
Pero ang kagandahan, tatlo yung lamang mo. If you're San Sebastian, you have an opportunity now to call a timeout, scheme a play, get somebody open. Definitely ang malilibre dito, hulaan ko si Castor. Dahil isa-switch nila or i-blitz nila agad si Kuahaw dahil nakakuha ng 2 basket. Castor nakakuha ng 3 3-point shot. So, kung ako magsischeme, i-open up ko yan dahil ibibigay nila rito yung pressure release na pasa kay Lumanag. Ayan Castor ang malilibre o yung De La Rama on the crash boards. Kasi tatanggalin nila yung best shooter mo, may score ng 2, si Kuahaw, tapos si Gabat is your best attacker. Lumanag will be the pressure release pass. Inbounder pa si Kuahaw para mas mapadali na maipasa sa kanya to.
For Castor and De La Rama, you have to be ready
Offensive rebound.
with a pass. 4.9 seconds remaining.
Yan, yung pass back.
Kuahaw has the ball. Kuahaw for the win! Misses! And we're going
At the end of
for another overtime.
At 87 all, we are going to a second
You can consider that as a good shot.
Yeah. Nakapass back yung pinakapunong abala in the overtime period. Handled the ball and took the last shot. Good shot.
Nakakuha pa ng board doon, but misses on the shot. Itong si Ian Kuahaw. Hindi pa tayo tapos. We're tied at 87. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Games wanting to get their first win of the season in this kind of fashion. And right now, kahit sino ang manalo, pwede natin sabihin, magandang laro. As Lumanag takes the 3, misses. And LPU can't get that basketball. Mananatili yung bola dito sa San Sebastian Golden Stags. Big shot after big shot ang nakita natin from that first overtime. Care of Kuahaw. At itong si Ato Barba, also Villegas as Kuahaw misses this time. Medyo parang heat check na rin yun for Ian Kuahaw.
Rush shot para kay Ian Kuahaw.
Another chance for LPU to get this lead back. Villegas to Origue. Can get it to the A-leg. Now Peñafiel. Barba is resting right now. Peñafiel, who's gonna step up? And this time, magandang depensa ng San Sebastian. Gabat, what a pass to De La Rama.
2 free throws coming up.
Nabinyagan ng Mall of Asia Arena
Yeah.
for this season. Tama ka dun sa dapat yung laruan.
Hindi
Pandinan.
Kami sa kanila makalaro dito Hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon maglaro. Sa Mall of Asia, sa Araneta, sa Rizal Memorial, kahit sa PhilOil, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon makalaro. Ay kung kasi, di ba, Solar Boys, mga nakapaa sa simento. Ito tabla, Brad. Buhos ka na. Aircon pa, pre.
Nilalamig na nga ako, coach.
Oo, makakasipong ka niyan.
As De La Rama sinks both free throws there. They're up 89 to 87. Another turnover. De La Rama nauna na. He's got double-double. 12 points and 21 rebounds for
Yan. Hindi
Juniel
po
De La
tayo
Rama.
po yan, ha? 10 offensive rebounds. 10 offensive rebounds. Isa pa, ulitin ko. 10 offensive rebounds.
Para lang malinaw.
Grabe.
And look at this forward pass. Mula kay Lumanag to De La Rama. No challenge there from LPU.
Nakagraduate lang po niyan ng high school.
Showing off sa kanyang iba't ibang kayang gawin.
Aha.
He's been passing also, coach.
Coming back in for the Pirates.
2 assists for Juniel.
Gavin Basana
3 steals
for
also.
Ralph Gabat. Shooting 2.
We're still not yet done here.
Villegas.
91-87 with 3 and 36 remaining.
Talaga kailangan trabahuhin mo yung una mong panalo.
Renz Villegas makes the first one. If this is how you get your first win, wala ka na mahihiling pa.
Yun talaga yung kailangan mo gawin. Kaya kailangan mo bumuhos. As in todo.
Second shot from Villegas makes another one. Quahao has the ball. Gives it to Castor.
Flex action.
Hindi nakita yung curling si De La Rama. Hindi na muna binigay. 7 to shoot. Quahao. Drops it to Castor. Castor misses. And look who's with the ball.
22.
De
Defensive
La
rebound
Rama.
na naman.
Quahao. 3. No. And there will be a
Foul
foul on
talaga. Nakakapit.
Versosa, I
Ibinaba
think.
niya eh. Ibinaba niya yung kamay nung tatalon. So tatawagan siya ng foul. Okay na yun na nalock in mo. Pero pagka sinwing mo pababa at in-impede mo yung jumping action, ayan o.
And look at
Takpan
this.
lang eh. Ayan o, yung nakahawak. Tapos yung kanang kamay, ibinababa mo. Ayan. Tatawagan talaga ng foul yan.
And even on the other side, Renz Villegas.
Hindi yun, body-body kasi naka-cross-check sa dibdib. Hindi niya hinawakan.
And it's because it's De La Rama. You're the one na si De La Rama na naman ang makakuha ng bola.
You have to, ang terminology dyan is you have to hit. So pinupulikat na kaliwang bintik ni Ato Barba. Kaliwa ba? Kanan?
Kaliwa.
Hindi, kanan. Kanan, pre. Ayun o.
Oo nga.
Oh, mahirap yan pag naka-4 ang nire-release.
Giovanna Brigana for Jonathan Barba.
And for Barba, you really wanted to play this kind of game. Papagpag niya lang yan mamaya. Tingnan natin.
Naman.
As Castor now at the line. Misses on the first one. Can stretch this lead up. Castor with his second shot. Up. Counted. Ito na naman tayo sa mga
Lane
lane
violation.
violation na yan. 92-89. San Sebastian Golden Stag leading here. Pero marami pang oras para sa LPU. Moralejo gives it to Villegas. Aurigue with a pick. Mismatch against Nepasena. Dancing. Villegas. Masyadong malalim doon. Can they stretch this lead? It's just a 3-point lead for San Sebastian. De La Rama takes it. Nasundutan. Moralejo tatakbo. Kasama si Aurigue. Moralejo misses.
Oh, big miss right there. 2-on-1.
Waste chances. Quahao!
Wasted opportunity, pero okay lang. Haba pa niyan.
Second foul. 12 for the That's his
You
second
feel for Coach
personal.
Gilbert Malabanan. They're up big kanina doon sa ating first quarter. Lagi niya sinasabi yan. We're starting the game right, but we're not closing the game right. Para dito sa LPU Pirates. Quahao.
Tapang maglaro tong batang to. Bright future as the next in line to be the main ball handler, the main point of attack of San Sebastian. And then the pieces fit. Big guys or role players that can score, that can rebound and defend. They have a workhorse in De La Rama. Di na nga nabalik si Velebrigo.
21 points for Ian Quahao. A young career for Ian as Versosa. Big miss there. And there will be a foul call on him. That's a double whammy.
Ano to? 23 rebounds na ba yan? 23 na yan, di ba?
Yup.
23 rebounds. Kasi may isang offensive rebound na nadagdag. 22, yun yung huli.
Jonathan Dalag for JM Versosa.
At babalik pa ang bola dito sa San Sebastian.
No, penalty, 2 shots. 2 shots to.
Versosa. Mukhang that's it for Versosa. 5 fouls. I know.
Hitting to Daniel Dalarama.
Hindi babala. Pinahinga lang ito si Versosa as De La Rama misses on that first one. Mahaba pa to, coach. 2:11 seconds. De La Rama makes the second one. Abrigana has the ball. Gives it to Villegas. 10 to shoot for LPU. They are down here. Daileg from the 3 is good!
Jonathan Dalag, 3.
Di pa rin tayo hihinto dito kasi ang LPU, as long as they can make those outside shots, may chances eh.
What a time for Jonathan Daileg to get that basket from the 3. Quahao 8 to shoot. Dancing against the defense of LPU. Shot there. Open shot sana pero mintis. Kanino ang bola dyan? And there will be a review here.
No need for a review. Kasi inside the 2 minutes na eh. Inside the 2 minutes na to, under FIBA rules,
let's see here. Who's gonna have the basketball? Abrigana there. Nakatapak na ba siya? And look at Nepasena. No,
last touch na
Nepasena. Touch the ball last.
so 90 seconds remaining. You want to remove the 3-point shot. You want longer closeouts.
Eto na naman tayo, Coach Hammer.
It will be
kanina pa ako.
LPU Pirates basketball.
And look at this. Ato Barbak coming back in this game.
Jonathan Barba for Giovanna Brigana.
You love the warrior. Inside Ato Barba right now. Crumping up.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, if we're going to lose the game, it's on my hands. If we're going to win, it has to go through me. Yan na yung mindset ngayon na kailangan ni Ato Barba.
Barba has the ball against the defense of Nepasena. Barba steps back from the 3, misses. But Auriga gets the ball, pero tumapak na naman dun sa linya.
Stepping on the line, San Sebastian Golden State
But that's his
basketball.
shot for Ato. Oh, yan na nga. Buong panay nandun. Here's the San Sebastian possession. A chance for them to stretch this lead.
Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan.
Para mas maging sigurado. 1 minute remaining. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Quahao pulls up. Blocked there by Auriga.
Basang-basa nila yung gagawin. Libre yung shooter na big.
Here's Barba. To Villegas. Villegas spins. Drives. Misses. But Auriga is there. Barba has the ball. 10 to shoot. Barba decides to take it and set is good. It's just a 1-point lead here for San Sebastian. Babalik pa sa LPU ang bola.
Oo. So you need the basket here if you're San Sebastian.
Lumanag, 10 to shoot for the red shirt. To Quahao from the 3. Quahao! With a clutch 3!
Big shot. And good look there. Lumanag on that high screen. Na pressure pa nga siya rito. Nasa kill zone siya. This is a coffin corner. Ayaw mo mag-dribble dyan if you're a shot creator. But he was able to turn that corner. Hilaw yung hard show. And on the succeeding drive, they were able to find Ian Quahao.
That's his
That's a
third
gutsy
try.
3. That's a gutsy 3.
Ito yung pangatlong beses niyang sinubukan ng tres dito sa overtime na to. First, this is the drive. This was the drive from Ato Barba. Tinira na lang sa loob nitong si Ato dahil yung depensa talagang lumabas. And right now, Lumanag finding Ian Quahao from the corner. Tapang coach ng batang ito.
Nabasa na nga yung kanina yung initial attack. Nag-off ball naman siya ngayon. Unconscious.
98 to 94. Ito yung kinakailangang lamang na medyo safe. Pero hindi dapat maging careless itong San Sebastian. .2 seconds remaining. LPU down by 4. Kanina, coach, we saw a lot of scrambling for loose ball. Doon nakabalik din yung LPU. Doon sa ating first overtime. Doon sa ating fourth quarter, rather. And right now,
Yep.
they still need more. Barba.
To send the house na to kay Ato Barba, wag lang fa-foul.
Barba misses! Big miss there from Ato Barba.
23. 23 rebounds, tama? 23-24. Refresh mo nga yung ano mo.
23 rebounds for Juniel De La Rama. And look at the defense. Tinaasa na lang ng kamay ni Juniel.
Blue collar eh.
At line shooting two, Danielle.
Doing it on offense and on defense. Itong si Juniel De La Rama.
Dapat yung meals nito sa cafeteria.
Mas marami.
Times 2.
Oo.
Times 2 itong mamaya.
He now has 13 points or 14 points under his
Bulungan
name.
natin si Father mamaya. Father, kailangan ng extra meal nito ni De La Rama. Grabe yung nilaro nitong mamang to.
San Sebastian
Grabe.
on the verge of getting their first win of the season on a dramatic fashion. Moralejo fires from the three, misses. And finally, San Sebastian Golden Stags with their first win of the season. And also the first win for Coach Rob Labagala as the head coach.
100.
Ian Quahao, 25 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals. And Junel De La Rama, ilan yung puntos ni Junel nung natapos?
14 points.
14 points, 23
15.
rebounds. 23 rebounds. Isa pa, 23 rebounds. Junel De La Rama. And this was a hard-earned win for this San Sebastian Golden Stags squad.
Sabi ko kanina, if this is how you get your first win,
You'll take it.
this is one for the books for San
Exactly.
Sebastian.
You'll take it. And they just didn't quit, and they just played and played till there's no more fighting to be done.
At masarap kumanta ng school hymn after that win.